maybe we can touch on like the context of harvesting and farming as it relates to automation. So um, you mentioned, for instance, like labor shortages. Is this something that's quite predominant? I know that you're based out of California. Is that something that is, I guess, growing as a trend?
It is, yeah, and maybe just to frame it up a little differently, every piece of fruit and veg that you buy in the fresh
Mm,
produce aisle in a grocery store, pretty much around the world, is picked by hand today, right? So, no one has really cracked the code, and consumers are really picky on top of that. And so it's a really challenging technical problem, compounded by the fact that consumers are picky and to touch on your point, there's a decrease in the number of laborers willing to do the
hmm
work.
hmm
Um, and here in California, where this is really a big industry, right? Fresh produce, a lot of it's grown in California. Uh, the, there's challenges to find the workers, and then there's also increasing minimum wage and changes to the overtime laws that sort of just put a lot of pressure on growers. Even if they found the workers, they can't work as
hmm
long.
hmm
And so, yes, this is something that we've heard about for a while. It's been a growing trend, and I think the trend is only helping us. And I would say beyond that, I'd say the workers deserve everything that they're given, right, and
hmm
more.
hmm
It's just really challenging work, and so beyond just the regulations that are kind of boosting their wages and improving the quality of their work, they still need help because it's really tough,
Yeah.
tough work, and I think growers see that too.
Yeah. Yeah.